Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this springy look. I love this look. Like, I did it and I was like, oh my god, is this you? I look so cute. I did my bottom lashes, if you guys can see. Like, I fixed bottom lashes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I look so cute. It annoys me that I'm not going anywhere, guys. I literally am not going anywhere. It's like nighttime and I'm not going anywhere special, so all this is just for you guys. So you guys better subscribe. Thank you guys. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please make sure you follow me at MakeupDR.A and tell me how much you like this look and tell me how excited you are for spring. I'm honestly just excited for summer. So, you know, spring comes before summer, so it's getting closer to that time, so I'm just happy. I'm taking my NYX tinted brow mascara in chocolate and I'm just going to be using that to go over my brows. This tutorial is spring into spring tutorial, so we want to keep it as light and natural as possible. Anyways, then taking my LA Pro concealer in the color Warm Honey, I'm going to put my eyebrow brush on the back of my palm to make sure that it's not too much. I'm just going to go over it very lightly. So I will be taking the rest of my concealer from my finger and just putting it over my eyelid. So I'll be taking my Beige Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and this is actually what is going to give this look the pop of color. This palette is really colorful. Like, look at all the pretty colors. So I'll be taking the orange color, the deep orange. There are two oranges here, so there are two oranges here. So I'll be taking this orange color. This one, I'm just going to be using that right here. So after that, I take this yellow color, stick with using this one right here. I really want this yellow to pop, so I'm going to take my LA Pro concealer and I'm not going to cut the crease, but I'm just going to put like some concealer right over here. Make sure everything is well set. Now I'm taking the same orange color from that palette. I'm just going to use it again right here. I'm trying to like blend everything out. So I'm done with the eyes now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the face, and for that I'm going to be using this styling brush. As I said, I want it to be a real glowy look. I want it to be very pretty. So I'm going to take my highlighter and put it on the parts of my face that I usually highlight. Oh, look at that. Look at, like, this one even has a reflection. Like, yo, just a little. And once I do that, I'm going to take my foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours foundation. It's in the color Coconut. This foundation is big. That's all I'm gonna say. Just a little bit of it into my fingers, into my fingertip, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. I don't want it too much, just, you know, the areas where I feel like my spots are kind of popping. Spots be popping on my forehead for real. So I'm just going to be using my brush and working my way around. Usually I do like a lot of concealer under my eyes, but for this look I do not need a lot of concealer. This is all I will be using. Just a little bit on my chin. Again, I'll be using this brush right here and just going over that. So the next thing I'll be doing is taking my LA loose powder in the color Natural. It's BLP304, that's the number. This brush is going to be our everything today. and I'll be dipping into that powder, shaking it up a little, and I'll just be going over the highlighter parts of my face. On my forehead, of course. Ooh. Angelina. And we want our skin to look bronzed, so I will be taking Blush Subtle Shimmer in the color Mocha Havana, and it's a small one, and this is what it looks like. It's actually a blush, but I use it as my bronzer because it just looks cute as a bronzer, and it's brown anyway. So I'm just going to be taking that again with the same brush, and I'm just going to be bronzing up myself, and it really gives a really nice, bronzed look. And I'm just going to do that for my forehead as well. But I'm going to take my highlighter, which I already told you is the MAC Gold Deposit. I'm going to be putting that on the parts of my face that I usually highlight. The next I'm going to just take my mascara, and I'm going to put some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And the mascara I'll be using today is this one. Everything I've been using in this video I will continue to use will be down in the description box. There'll be a link for you to go to Amazon to check out the prices and whatever if you want to do that. I want it to be cute, and I don't want it to be too much, but you guys know lashes are always calling my name. They be calling my name. Hamshi. So MakeupDoc.A, the A is Amshe because my name is Amshe. That's the name. So call Amshe, short for Amshe. In the US, people be saying Amshi, Amshe, Amshi. Oh my god, do you guys know how many times I've gotten Amshi? I've even gotten Amshi with an O. Like, people be spelling. My professor that knew my name in class and had the class registry was spelling my name as Amshi with an O when she was replying my emails that had my name in them. I'm just going to let you think about that. Look at how cute these lashes are. Like, they're so natural looking, so wispy. I wish I knew the name. And so I'm back with my lashes all fixed. The next thing I'm going to be doing is applying this Ardell Dura lash knotted flares, and I'm going to be applying it to my bottom lashes. So the last item I'll be using for this look is a Becca lip gloss. Is the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss. That's a very long name. It's just, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box, but this is what it looks like, and it's by Becca Cosmetics. And finally, I'm going to use my Fix Spray. Oh my gosh, things are just falling. So I'm taking my Maybelline Master Fix Spray, and I'm just going to spray my face slightly. And I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. I hope you guys are liking this look so far. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I have my spring going on. Yeah, so yeah, this is the look. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Bye.